Every single day, around the world, millions of shipping containers are on the move. They travel across oceans, railways, highways, and ports, quietly powering global trade. Almost everything you use has spent time inside one of these metal boxes. Your phone, your clothes, your furniture, even the food in your kitchen. So how exactly do these containers move around the world so efficiently? Let's follow the journey of one container and see how the global shipping system works. It all starts at a factory. A product is manufactured, packaged, and loaded into a standard shipping container. These containers are usually 20 or 40 feet long and built to exact global standards. That means they can be moved anywhere, by any ship, truck, or train, without repacking. Once loaded, the container is sealed and assigned a unique ID number. From this moment, it becomes part of a worldwide tracking network. Next, the container leaves the factory. A truck picks it up and drives it to the nearest inland depot or port. Sometimes this first journey happens by rail instead of road, depending on distance and cost. At the depot, containers are sorted and grouped by destination. This is where the logistics really begin. When the container reaches the port, the scale becomes impressive. Ports are like giant transit hubs, designed specifically for container movement. Huge cranes lift containers off trucks and stack them into carefully organized yards. Each container's position is tracked digitally, so it can be retrieved quickly when needed. And it's time for departure. The container is loaded onto a container ship. These ships are engineering marvels. The largest container ships can carry over 20,000 containers at once. They stack them in rows, both below deck and high above the ship's surface. Loading is a precise process. Containers are arranged based on weight, destination, and unloading order, so the ship remains balanced and efficient. Once fully loaded, the ship sets sail. Container ships travel along established global shipping routes. It's often called trade lanes. Major routes connect Asia, Europe, North America, and Australia. The journey can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks. Along the way, the container might stop at intermediate ports. These are known as transshipment hubs. Here, cranes remove containers and transfer them onto different ships that continue the journey to their final region. This is similar to changing planes at an airport. It allows shipping companies to move goods globally using the most efficient routes. All of this is carefully coordinated by logistics software. Shipping companies track each container's location, route, and schedule in real time. This ensures containers arrive where they need to be at the right time. Eventually, the ship reaches the destination port. This is where the reverse process begins. Cranes unload the container and place it in the port's yard. It's then cleared through customs, where authorities check documentation and contents. Once cleared, the container is released for inland transport. Now the container continues its journey by land. Depending on the country, it will move by truck or train. Rail is often used for long distances because it's cheaper and more environmentally efficient. Trucks handle the final delivery to warehouses, stores, or distribution centers. At the warehouse, the container is opened and the goods are unloaded. From here, the products are sent out for local delivery. This is the last stage before the goods reach the customer. But the container's journey isn't over yet. Once empty, it doesn't just sit there. Shipping companies must decide where to send it next. Containers are constantly repositioned around the world to match supply and demand. For example, more containers are needed in exporting countries like China than in importing countries. So empty containers are shipped back across oceans to where they are needed again. This keeps the global flow of trade moving smoothly. The entire system is built on standardization. Because every container is the same size and shape, the world can move goods quickly and efficiently. Ships, trains, trucks, cranes, and ports are all designed around these exact dimensions. This is why global shipping is so fast, reliable, and cost-effective. Without containers, international trade would be far more expensive and chaotic. They are the invisible backbone of the modern world economy. So the next time you buy something online or see a ship on the horizon, remember it's probably carrying thousands of containers, each on its own global journey, quietly connecting the world, one metal box at a time.